How would things change for gold ETFs, international funds, fund of funds because of the change in specified mutual funds? And now are these gold funds at par with, say, sovereign gold bonds here?
Yeah, so let me just simplify this for your viewers, Sonal. Now there are three categories of funds, right? There are funds which invest more than 65% in equities. So they get classified as equity funds. So after a year, you have 12.5% taxation. And before a year, you are taxed at 20%, which is short-term capital gains. The second type of fund are funds which are investing less than 65 in debt, right? So those become less than 65% in debt and not more than 65% in equities. Those become hybrid funds. Now, those you have to wait for 2 years for long-term capital gains benefit, and the long-term capital gains benefit is the same as equity, which is 2.5%, and before that it is marginal rate. So what happens is for gold funds, earlier they were being taxed at MMR after the tax changes that they did in 2023. So as a result, the sovereign gold bond product became very, very attractive because there is no taxation if you hold till maturity. Only the interest portion is taxed there. Now, with this change, you can invest in a gold fund and you are eligible for a long-term capital gain benefit after 2 years. And that taxation is at 12.5%. So it's easier for a person to asset allocate. As far as comparison to sovereign gold bond is concerned, sovereign gold bond from a taxation and effective return point of view will still be more attractive. But remember that sovereign gold bonds have a lock-in, whereas a gold fund doesn't have any lock-in. You can redeem the gold fund whenever you want, right? And if you wait for more than 2 years, then it becomes taxable at the long-term rate of 12.5%. Hope that part is clear. Coming to FOFs and international funds, because they are again classified as non-debt and non-Indian equity, they will also be eligible for long-term capital gains benefit after 2 years.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.